Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2020 English Objective Pass question number 3. And the instruction to this question says we should find the word most that is most nearly most nearly opposite to me to the word in it like, and the word that is italicized here is criticized. The word that is italicized here is criticized. And so the sentence say the man criticized his son the man criticized his son publicly. The man criticized his son publicly. And the option here says blame, faulted. Option B. Option C say honored. Option D say praised. Option D say rewarded. And when we talk about blame, blame is the same as criticized. Yeah, it's the same as criticized or faulted. That is 5. Then faulted is the same thing as criticized. Then honor means respect. So honor cannot be the direct opposite to criticism or criticize. Then reward means motivation. Reward has to do with motivation, but praise has to do with eulogized. So you can say the man eulogized his son publicly. So praised is the word that is direct opposite to the given, or that is nearly opposite to the word in italicized. And of course, praise is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.